Hey everyone, welcome to the azxp channel. I just built this Discada based on some other guy's YouTube video. I'm gonna try and use it on my tailgate here on the 4th of July. I'm gonna cook some fajitas. So we're gonna get started by lighting this thing up. So we're going to turn it up high to get it hot, and then we're going to cool it down a little bit and start by charring up some jalapeno peppers. So again, this is the first time I use this. I just put it together based on a YouTube video that another guy posted, and I will put a link to his video if you're interested in building one of these yourself. We'll see how this turns out. It looks pretty cool. It's basically a 17-inch, I don't know, I'll measure it, but it's basically a 17-inch Discada, cast iron Discada, like a scuttle. The scuttles that you buy are usually like carbon steel. This is cast iron. So we wanted to give it a shot, see how it goes. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I'm gonna. Alright, let's get some things going here. We're gonna start out with a little bit of olive oil. We'll get that hot. Ooh, it's already getting hot. Look at that. And I think it's hot enough. I'm gonna turn it down. Not quite sure how much to turn it down, so we'll just kind of put it on medium. See what happens. We're just gonna roast these jalapenos. Whole and fresh. Oh man, I can already smell them. We'll let those char up a little bit. Let's roll this off to the side. And we'll let that stay warm up there. And we will put a little bit more olive oil down. And let's throw on this meat. And it needs a little bit more oil. The meat's top sirloin steak with some sort of fajita seasoning on it. You can season it however you want, and I just cook it with the green onions. We just want to get a good sear. So the meat's cooking pretty quickly. I'm going to put a little water on it and let it simmer. We go get a little more fajita seasoning, and it's boiling, so we're just gonna let it simmer there for a minute. Looking good. Got some cut up fajita vegetables to go in it. Alright, let's stir this up. We'll turn it down and let it simmer. With those, I'll take those off for a second and put some more seasoning in it. We'll let that burn off some of that extra juice. Alright, so the meat's just about done. So we're just going to kind of push it up to the side. Just kind of push it up to the side here. Let it kind of drain. Get rid of some of this water. Alright. Let the meat stay up there and rest and cook. And then we will put a little more olive oil in it. And we'll throw on the vegetables. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, that's good. The vegetables are green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, onion, and cilantro. Just give it a little coating. We'll let that cook up. Tonight we are going to have flour tortillas and corn tortillas. So unfortunately, my camera keeps shutting off because here in Arizona, it's 105 degrees and the camera keeps overheating. I have to take it inside and let it cool down. We didn't really miss anything, we're just cooking, but I decided to mix the meat in with the veggies and let it simmer some more. Just about ready to heat up the shells. So let these veggies cook up a little bit more. We'll take out these green peppers because she won't like those either. And they've been cooked about as much as they're going to get cooked. I think I said green peppers, but I meant green onions. I said that wrong. Onion down. Alright, we're going to let this cook for a minute and take the camera in to cool down. Be right back. Alright, it looks like it's all done, ready to go. So we're going to scrape this out. And then, look at that. We're going to scrape this out and then heat up some shells real quick. We'll just put another little coating of oil. We'll put on a few kilo shells. Put on 4. We'll put on some corn tortillas. So this should get us started. These are nice and warm. Ooh, nice and warm. Well, that one's an inside shell. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this. This is the first time I've ever cooked on one of these. I think it turned out really good. If you like this, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I will do some more. I will try and cook some other stuff from the Discada. I thought fajitas would be a good start. So if it looks yummy, subscribe, like it, give it a thumbs up, and never miss another video. Thanks for watching. Do something amazing today and have a great 4th of July. See you next time.